example, this is the given grammar. We can see step by step how to convert this context-free grammar to push-down automata. Now these are the steps to convert the given grammar into push-down automata. We can see the first step. In all the things, first what we have to do, we have to create a start symbol yes. So the start symbol yes means we have to push that start symbol into the stack. So that is the thing here is happening. The state is Q0, the top of the stack is Z0, the input symbol is nothing. We are going to push the capital S as start symbol onto the stack. Now the start state is going from Q0 to, it is moving to the state Q1. The start symbol S is pushed onto the stack. Next step 2, for each production is of the form terminal, that is non-terminal tends to terminal alpha means what we have to do, we have to introduce a transition in the form Q1 comma A comma capital A equal to Q1 comma alpha. Based on this, we have given the transition for each production. Okay. Now we see the production and transition is of the form like this. Here capital S tends to A, B, C. So it is of the form the transition A tends to A alpha. So corresponding transition will be like this. So transition is Q1 to accepting the input symbol A. The top of the stack is capital S and we are having the alpha here ABC. So we are pushing this ABC onto the top of the stack. Here if you consider the capital B is the alpha. So we are accepting the input symbol A. We are pushing the capital B on top of the stack. Here there is no non-terminal. So we are considering we have popped the top of the stack. So we are having here epsilon as the top of the stack. Here the capital A will be the alpha. So we are pushing this onto the top of the stack. Here as usual there is no non-terminal. So epsilon will be the top of the stack. Here also there is no non-terminal. So the top of the stack is epsilon. So these are the corresponding transition for this production given. Okay. Now we will see that we have found the transitions. We have found the start symbol. Now step 3 we have to find the final state. Here we are having final state as QF. Okay. If the state is in Q1, there is no input symbol accepted. The top of the stack is Z0. It is moving from the Q1 to QF. As we don't know how many states will be there. As usual, everything will be final state the last. So we are here given as QF and the top of the stack is Z0. So therefore for a given PDA, the machine is capital Q, epsilon, tau, transition del, Q0, Z0, F. Whereas Q stands for what are the states we are having? Q0, Q1, QF. The input symbol is A, B, that is terminals. Here the tau, that is top of the stack will be all the non-terminals will be the top of the stack. What are they? Capital S, capital A, capital B, capital C and Z0. The next Q0 is the start state. Z0 is the symbol on the stack and F will be having the set of final states. In case of Afterwards, the A is capital A is replaced by capital B. Here we are getting popping the A, so we are having remaining BBA. Next, after that we are going to pop the capital B. Here the input read as B. So we are having remaining here small b, small a, here B and C. Afterwards, I am going to read input B and I am going to pop the capital B. So we are having capital A and C. So here afterwards, reading the small a here and popping out the capital C from the top of the stack, we will be having input symbol on the input tape is epsilon. Also on the top of the stack is nothing. The Z0 will be remain here. So each or epsilon, the state is accepted. We have reached the final state. This is the accepting state of the push-down automata. The string given is accepted by the push-down automata. This is the last topic in this unit, that is push-down automata to context-free grammar. How we have to convert the push-down automata to context-free grammar. Previously we have seen context-free grammar to push-down automata. Here the general procedures are there. There are 4 steps. First one, we have to convert all the input symbols of the push-down automata will be the terminals of CFG. Push-down automata input will be small case letters. That will be the terminals of context-free grammar. Step 2, the non-terminals of CFG will be triplets, it of the form QY, Z, QJ. So based on this, the Q0 will be the start state, QF will be the final state. So the start symbol of the context-free grammar is Q0, Z, QF. That will be the start symbol of the context-free grammar. Next we can see how to convert the given transition into production of the context-free grammar. The transition of push-down automata will be converted to the corresponding productions of context-free grammar. The first thing, if the transition is of the form, that is QI on input symbol, that is input symbol, state on the stack. This will be resulting in QJ. The stack on the top of the stack will be AB. This transition will be converted into production equivalent to this. That is QI or QJ. The resulting state is the top of the stack, QK, the next state. That is equal to the terminal. If there is a terminal means input symbol, it will be here. Next the QJ, A, QL, next QJ, B, QK. This A and B will be the top of the stack. Okay, next, if the transition of the form QI, A, Z equal to QJ, resulting in the top of the stack will be null, that is epsilon. If it is of the form means the corresponding production will be Q1, Z, QJ, that is tends to terminal A. These are the 2 cases. That is when the transition is of the form, the corresponding production will be in the format. If the transition is of the form, then the corresponding production will be this. Now we can see an example. Okay, this is an example. These are the given transition of a push-down automata. So what we are going to do means, here in this case, the first transition will be this format. Okay, it is already given. It is in the format. If you consider the 4th and 5th means it will be in the format of the second one. In this case, the second transition will be not in the first format or in the second format. So we have to convert this into any one of this format or both. So we are splitting this into, that is we are introducing one state, that is Q3, without accepting any input symbol. Now this is splitted into Q0, A, then the top of the stack is A, the resultant state will be Q3, the epsilon, that is top of the stack will be epsilon. Again, here we are going to make a transition from the state Q3 without accepting any input symbol. The top of the stack is Z. Now the resultant will be Q0, A is Z. Then Q3 is not the final state or accepting state of this push-down automata. Just for conversion of this, we are introducing one state Q3. So already we have having Q0, Q1, Q2. The Q2 will be the final state of this PDA, push-down automata. For just splitting this, we are introducing this dummy state Q3. Okay, it is clear. Now the productions will be, the transitions will be, this will be 1, this is splitted into 2, 1, 3, next this will be the 4, next this will be the 5. Now we can see how these transitions are converted into a corresponding production. First we can see the transition 2, 4, 5, that is epsilon transitions, this one input symbol is A, here also top of the stack is capital A. The resultant will be Q3 comma epsilon. This is the transition. For this transition, the corresponding production is the Q0. Then the top of the stack is A. The resultant Q3 will be here. The input symbol is this. Okay. Similarly, for this transition, the Q0 will be here. The top of the stack is this. The moving state Q1 will be here. Then by accepting the input symbol will be here. This is for production. Next, if you consider this transition, again the Q1 will be here. Next, the top of the stack is Z. The resultant state is Q2. The resulting we are not moving to anyone. So the resultant input symbol will be epsilon. Okay, have you understood? Next, we can see the remaining transitions. For transition 1 and 3, it will be in the format of the first one. You see here we are having Qj, Qk, J, L, J, K. So what this means, the K and L will take all the possible values of capital Q. So what are all the possible values here? Q0, Q1, Q2. So it will take, and again Q3. It will take all the possible states of this production transition. So we can see one by one. First case, we are having the transition del Q0 comma A Z. The resultant will be Q0 capital A Z. Here I is 0, J is also 0. We can see the remaining things. For the given this, we are going to consider Q0 0. K is taking each and every time 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we see the L is taking each time here 0, 1. Again here 2 and here 3. So K and L value becoming changing. It is taking all the possible values of the capital Q. Capital Q is nothing but number of states in a transition or production. Here if you consider there are 4 states Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So the K and that is here already we have seen it in the formula. That will be, this will be the K and this will be the L. It will take all the possible values. We change the K value in this series and we can change the L value in this series. So for first we are keeping K as 0 and we are changing the L value Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay. For K as 0. Now again we are changing the K value as 1. For keeping this as the same, we are changing the L value Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Again we are changing the K value 2, keeping this Q2 as similar. We are changing the L value Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Again we are keeping the Z K value as 3. We are changing the L value for this K value as 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, again we are keeping the L value for this production. For this it is over Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. For this transition we have produced all the possible productions. Next for this transition we are going to convert the